Hi guys, this is Jordan here from Lizanne and welcome to another DailyFoz vlog episode. So if you remember last time, I actually changed the rear suspension with heavy duty springs and a lift kit. And to be honest, everything went wrong. Alright guys, so this is turning into a nightmare. It's raining more than ever. I just stepped in cat shit. The new suspension doesn't fit. And today I woke up a little bit early to get the front done. So once again, I'm gonna change suspension, which means the struts, springs, and the lift kit. Hopefully everything will go a little bit smoother than the rear and the DailyFoz is not gonna be in dragster mode anymore. Stay tuned. Oh, and I forgot all my Ryobi batteries back at the apartment, so I will have to do everything by hand.
One eternity later.
And this is an important part of the process, because if you don't do that, you have a lot of chances that your CV just pop out, and then it's a bit more trouble. So be careful and secure the hub with a strap before removing the strut. Now let's remove it. And I actually had, like forever, a weird noise when I was turning on the right side, and I think I just figured it out. Let me show you. As you can see here, something kind of rubbed on the body of the car. And if you look at the suspension, you can see that the spring was actually rubbing on the body of the car while turning. So honestly, this is a little bit weird. I hope this won't be a problem to install the new suspension, and I hope this doesn't mean like a bent lower control arm, something like that. We'll see. Guys, it's a sketchy moment. The spring should be held by that. I'm not sure about anything in this world, anymore. So I'm just gonna finish to unscrew this, and maybe it's gonna be okay, and maybe it's just gonna pop like this. Almost there. God damn it. Yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna clean the parts I need. And voila! The struts with the spring and the top hat is fully assembled. I'm just gonna throw the lift kit on top and install it on the car. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can see, but right behind me I finished one side and it's already looking way better. Now I just need to do the other side and check if I still have this rubbing issue on that side. That will be terrible. But hopefully I won't have it anymore. Let's do the other side. Okay, I completely forgot, and I should have filmed it, but this morning I had to go to the hardware store to buy this 13 euros, and I already broke this hand. It's not usable anymore, and the only reason I need it is to disassemble the old struts. So the only solution I found was violence. Look at that. That's done. And I got everything in the case. Well, almost. Okay, so the second strut is fully assembled. It took me maybe an hour to get it together. This is the longest part because the swap actually and the install of the lift kit is pretty straightforward. But having to disassemble one strut to put together another one, that's not a fun work. Anyway, I'm gonna put the lift kit on and install everything on the DailyFoz. And it's gonna be right before it's going dark. Alright guys, and we are off for a test drive, and honestly so far so good. It feels way more comfortable. I'm on a gravel road and it actually feels pretty good. There's a few little holes. Okay, this is pretty good. And another thing, and that is absolutely awesome. Okay, nobody here. Is that the riding height, you know, the position I am in the DailyFoz now is way better. I feel like it's a proper car now. I'm a little bit upper. It feels like the TactiFoz actually, and I really love it. Lizanne love it as well. That's pretty cool. So far I'm really happy. The test drive is way better than the one I did for the rear, which was a bit awkward. Now I'm gonna try to turn that way, and I had a weird sound coming off this strut because it was actually hitting the body of the car. So I'm just gonna do a circle and see if I have any weird sound. Right, full lock. Ooh. Damn, I'm gonna crawl this. Okay, full lock, no problem. Alright guys, and as you can see, it's looking very good. This is not in dragster anymore. Everything is pretty much leveled, front and rear. It feels like a real SUV, a real car now, and I just love it. So this was the best decision ever. First, I thought I'm not gonna do anything to the DailyFoz, but at the end, it's already lifted. And on the next one, I'm gonna paint the wheel blacks and put the mud flaps for this rally look with the red spring you can see. That's gonna be pretty awesome. So guys, tell me in the comment what you think of this lifted DailyFoz. I personally love it, and stay tuned because very soon there's gonna be the lift kit install video coming up on the YouTube channel, and this is gonna be a pretty good one. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this kind of final DailyFoz vlog episode about suspension. It's done and looking good, so I'm pretty happy with that. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. It always helps. You can also check my Instagram account. I just took awesome pictures of the lifted DailyFoz, so the link is down below. And also, if you want to support me in another way, I also have a Patreon page. Thank you guys for watching. See you next week.